Hello everyone, this is Vineet Pandey and it's an audio message converted into a video format for all the students who are willing to join offline batch. Today we have started our offline classes with the students in front of you who are visible on the video. These are the same people who have faced COVID in last batch when we started and all of a sudden the COVID made us shut down our classes. These are the same people who faced the failure because of the injustice of NTA, but these are the same people who have come back to fight. Yes, this reminds me of Hemingway. Men can be destroyed but never defeated. These students who have gone through a lot, these students who have suffered a lot, are finally back to show who they are. They are going to fight this exam in June with us under my guidance, and we are 100% sure about JRFs, about ranks, about their success. It's a message to each and every student who has suffered, maybe because of COVID issues, maybe because of NTA issues. This is your time. We have 4 months to fight back. We can utilize the month of March, month of April, month of May, month of June, because in June end we'll have the exam. This is our time to fight back. I invite you all to join the offline classes. Today we had our introductory class. On Monday we will start our classes. You all have time till holy celebration, means next 7 to 8 days you can be the part of the class. If you join the batch in next 7 to 8 days, I will be taking responsibility of completing the topics you already have missed. I will make sure that you cover all those things. Friends, we have seen the competition rising. We have seen NTA didn't give the results we were expecting, and we have also seen the crisis of jobs. In this era, the only need of this time is to be the best. T.S. Eliot said this thing. This is the time you have to fight back. So forget what you have faced in COVID, forget what you have faced because of NTA's results, and remember what actually you have to do in future. People remember those who have success in their hands. Failures are people who are forlorn, who are forgotten. You are the one who will fight back. You are the one who will win it. This is a message to each and every one to be the part of the elite batch. And I am promising you to put my double energy. Yes, it's been 2 years. I'm not able to take any offline class. So there is something, in my heart, there is something in my brain, there is something boiling. And even I want to give my 200% to the student because I have promised myself that this time I will not settle down less than a rank. So we'll take the top rank, we'll get the top 10 students, top 50 students, and we'll be getting a lot of JRF. I invite you to join the offline batch to be the part of it. And yes, give yourself one more chance. This is the best thing about literature, that we read people who are very much positive. Remember Robert Browning. I was ever a fighter, so one fight more, the best in the last. So I invite you to give your 100%, and I give you a guarantee that I will give you my 200%. Let's crack JRF together.